Welcome back to another Moodle.com video. In this video we're going to be talking about the forum. At the top of your course page you'll see that there is a news forum which is always added by default. A lot of people tend to ignore this, but they're actually quite a useful tool. If you don't want to have it up the top and you want to add one somewhere else, you can simply click add an activity or a resource and then selecting forum and then add. This will then bring you across to the settings for the forum. So again, the fields in red we have to add, so we're going to give a forum name of sample forum and then a description. The first thing you're going to notice is the forum type, which is selected to standard form for general use. You can see that there is a number of different options available, such as a single simple discussion. Each person posts one discussion, a Q&A forum, and a standard forum displayed in blog-like format. Each of these are different types depending on what way you would like to use the forum. We're going to stick with a standard forum for general use. There is additional options here, such as attachments and word count. So that again, the maximum size for the attachment, if a user would like to attach a file, in this particular server, 600 megabytes, which is very large. It's about the size of a CD write disk, right down to 10 kilobytes, which is quite small. So if we want to stick to something in the middle, we might go with, say, 5 megs. The maximum number of attachments, if you'd like to set that, by default it's set to 9, and display a word count, yes or no. There's also more advanced options for the forum, such as subscriptions and tracking, post threshold for blocking in case people are using the forum too much, a grading option, a ratings option, which is another advanced feature. To finish up, we'll just click save and return to course. You'll be able to see that the forum sample form has been added, and if we click on this, we'll be brought into the forum. At the minute, there's no discussions actually in the forum, but if we want, we can click add a new discussion topic and we'll be able to start a new topic. So the subject is the title of the post and message is the actual content. You'll be able to see that students can upload their content here as an attachment if they want. The forum offers a great way for students to interact with each other. Although useful, it's important to keep note of the actual forum and what the students are talking about. It can often be the case that one student may tend to overrun the forum and a lot of the quieter students may not actually say anything at all. So if you're using it for grading and as a participation tool, you may want to keep track of the actual forum itself.